Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of branding. Branding is a language of its own, filled with terms and concepts that are essential for anyone who's in the branding and marketing ecosystem. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or just curious about the craft, this video is the right place to start. This is part 1 of 10 common branding terms and what they mean. Hey everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to the Studio N channel, where we cover everything around branding, strategy, marketing, and creative communication in easy-to-get videos. If you're a business who wants to perfect any of these aspects to grow your brand, or a marketer looking to scale your knowledge, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Before we dive in, here's why these branding terms matter. A solid grasp of these concepts can transform how you perceive brands, enabling you to make informed decisions and create impactful marketing plans. In addition, the process of branding is most often a collaborative one. Having a general know-how of common terms will help with fruitful brainstorming and strategizing. Brand strategy. A brand strategy is a long-term plan that's aimed to achieve key long-term goals for a business. The strategy aims to identify a brand's key target demographic and differentiate the brand via its mission and promises to help build awareness and increase brand share of voice. Brand attributes. Brand attributes are the adjectives and personality traits of a business that it would like to project to the consumer. They're the qualities that make a brand unique and recognizable and translate to all communication pillars as well as dictate the culture of an organization. Brand identity. A brand identity is made up of the visual elements of a brand like the logo, brand pattern, tagline, tone of voice, color palette, and typography. The aim of a strong brand identity is to make a business memorable and instantly recognizable in order to increase brand recall. Brand awareness. Brand awareness refers to how easily consumers recognize or recall a business and its products or services. It's the primary goal of a business's marketing endeavors and when done well, leads to increased consumer trust, consideration, and sales. Brand equity. Brand equity is the value of a business that's dictated by how influential it is in the eyes of the consumer. It's influenced by factors like customer loyalty, perception, and market presence. Tagline. A tagline is a catchy, short, and memorable phrase that reflects a brand's positioning and personality. Some examples are Nike's "Just Do It," Disneyland's "The Happiest Place on Earth," or McDonald's "I'm Lovin' It." Tone of voice. A brand's tone of voice is a key aspect that makes up its brand identity. It's the tone that reflects a brand's personality and becomes the guidelines for how a brand will sound and communicate across all touchpoints. Brand advocacy. Brand advocacy is all about turning satisfied customers into business cheerleaders. When customers love your brand, they willingly share positive reviews and experience stories, thereby influencing potential customers to convert. Cultivating brand advocates can significantly boost your business's credibility. Brand guidelines. Brand guidelines are a set of comprehensive instructions, boundaries, and rules that define how a brand represents itself to the public to maintain consistency across all communication channels. It's a rulebook or docket that includes usage specifications for the brand's visual identity like the logo, color palette, tagline, typography, and imagery, as well as guidelines for the tone of voice, messaging, and overall brand positioning. Brand positioning. Brand positioning is how a business differentiates itself from competitors and establishes itself within its market and industry. It's the careful strategy that influences all aspects of the business, right from price point and product development to marketing endeavors, that allow it to claim a distinct spot within the market and grab a customer's attention. This brings us to the end of another week's value-packed, information-dense video. Stay tuned for part 2 of common branding terms and what they mean, and more such videos where I cover common terms across themes like copywriting, marketing, digital marketing, social media design, and more. While we've scratched the surface of branding terms, understanding these concepts empowers you to create authentic connections, compelling narratives, and memorable brand experiences. If you enjoyed watching this video and you're looking forward to more, do drop a like below to let me know. And if you'd like me to further detail and explain any of these points in a separate video, drop me a comment. Lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get an update for the next value-packed Studio N upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.